Good day everyone, here is Math with Attender. I also come with a problem under factorization. We are asked to factorize mn minus 3nx minus 9xy plus 3my. Solution. We are solving this by grouping. By grouping, it means that we are going to introduce a bracket. But it's just normal brackets, right? When we are introducing normal bracket, so we have bracket mn minus 3nx open bracket close bracket and open bracket 3my minus 9xy close the bracket. So if you can look at the first bracket, we're having n is common, which we factor it out by saying n outside the bracket, then open bracket m. In the bracket we have m minus 3x remain in the bracket, while the second bracket 3y is common. We factor it out, which we have what left in the bracket is m minus 3x. We close the bracket. If you can look at what is outside the bracket, we have n 3y. So n plus 3y, we put it in a separate bracket. If you can look at the two brackets are equal, we factor it out, we take 1. So when you see that we have the final answer, the final factorization is n plus 3y in a bracket, another bracket m minus 3x, which is the full factorization, complete factorization of this problem. So if you can look at the second problem also, we have 2gk plus 2hk minus 3gl minus 3hl. Now to factorize this, we are still using the grouping method, which is in bracket 2gk plus 2hk in bracket minus, close the bracket, minus another bracket minus 3gl minus 3hl, right? So now if you can check this first bracket, what is common is what? 2k plus 2k is common, right? And the second bracket is minus 3l is common, right? So now the first bracket, we factor out 2k outside, then what remains in the bracket is g plus what? Plus h, right? Minus what is common is what? Minus 3. We factor out minus 3 out, minus 3l out, sorry. Then what remains in the bracket is what? G plus h, right? So now, what if you can check what is outside the bracket? We have 2k minus 3 and what? Minus l3l. So we group them in the same bracket. We put them in the same bracket, which is 2k minus what? Minus 3l. As in the other bracket, right? In the separate bracket, and what is common in the two brackets is what? Is g plus h. So which we added together, which we have 2k minus 3l in the bracket and what? G plus h in another paragraph, which is the complete factorization of the problem. So please, the C part, try to solve it, which is a square m plus 3m minus mn minus an. Please solve it in the comment section. Thank you. Please like, comment and share. Thank you.